Today we are going to do next numerical from the chapter Force and Laws of Motion, class 9. The numerical says a force of 5 Newton gives a mass m1 an acceleration of 10 meter per second square and a mass m2 an acceleration of 20 meter per second square. What acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? Now students, first of all we will see the numerical and we will note down what is given in the numerical. So let's start. So force is given 5 Newton, right? Now an acceleration, that is gives a mass m1 an acceleration of 10 meter per second square. So what we will do, so m, that is first mass is m1, acceleration of that is 10 meter per second square. Second mass m2, acceleration 20 meter per second square. Now what acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? So now both the masses will be tied together. So we will give the abbreviation as m1 plus m2 and acceleration we have to find out. Now what is the formula? That is force is equal to mass into acceleration. So for mass m1, first of all we will quote the values and take out mass m1. So what we will do, force is 5 Newton which is already there in the numerical. So 5 is equal to mass, that is m1, because this is the first mass, that is m1. So we have put m1 over here into 10 because for mass m1 acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Now after this 5 upon 10, now this 10 will come here. 5 upon 10 is equal to m1 and then m1 is equal to 0.5 kg. So we have got the value of m1 over here, that is 0.5 kg. Now let us do for the another one, that is m2. So now again force is equal to mass into acceleration. Again the Newton, that is the 5 Newton, that is force will remain the same. 5 and then m2 into 20. Why? Because it is 20 meter per second square for m2. Again we will solve the numerical like this, that is 5 upon 20 is equal to m2 and then m2 value has come out to be 0.25 kg. Now what they said in the numerical, what acceleration would it give if both the masses were tied together? Now we have taken out the values of m1 and m2. Now according to the demand in the numerical, what we will do, we will do the totaling of the masses, that is m1 and m2. So total mass, that is m1 plus m2, and we will total the quoted values also over here which we have solved already. So 0.5 plus 0.25, it has come out to be 0.75 kg. So now this is over. After this, now we have to find out the acceleration also. Now what we will do? Now again force is equal to mass into acceleration. Now we know that the force is always 5 Newton according to the demand in the numerical. Now whatever the total mass we have taken out, we will put the value over here and into acceleration which we have to find out. So we will solve the numerical and then we will get that is 5 upon 0.75. We will remove the decimal and then we will get 500 upon 75 is equal to, that is acceleration, and then we will solve further and we will get the answer as 6.67 meter per second square. So in this way children, we will solve this numerical which is really very important step by step.